Welcome to our journey through America's coldest cities. If you think winter in your city is harsh, wait till you see these places where people live amidst some of the most freezing temperatures in the country. Fairbanks, Alaska, situated in the heart of the state, is renowned for its subarctic climate, characterized by extreme temperature variations, making it one of the most distinct places in the United States. During winter, temperatures frequently plummet below 30 Fa, presenting a challenging environment for the residents. Despite these harsh conditions, the community in Fairbanks exhibits remarkable resilience and adaptability. They embrace a lifestyle uniquely tailored to cope with the long, dark, and frigid winters, employing various strategies for warmth, transportation, and maintaining a vibrant social life despite the cold. Summer in Fairbanks, though brief, is a time of transformation and celebration. The city comes alive with nearly 24 hours of daylight, and residents make the most of this period, engaging in outdoor activities, community events, and reveling in the natural beauty of their surroundings, which starkly contrasts the winter landscape. This duality of extreme cold and a flourishing summer season defines the rhythm of life in Fairbanks, reflecting both the challenges and the beauty inherent in living in one of the most extreme climates in the United States. Fargo, North Dakota. Fargo, North Dakota, is a city well acquainted with the rigors of harsh winters, where temperatures often fall below zero, accompanied by heavy snowfalls and biting winds. This creates a challenging but unique environment for its residents. To cope with these severe conditions, Fargo has developed a blend of innovative architectural designs and community initiatives. Buildings and homes are often constructed with special insulation and heating systems to withstand the extreme cold. The city also embraces the winter season through various activities that turn the cold into a source of enjoyment and community bonding. Winter sports like ice hockey, skiing, and snowboarding are popular, allowing residents to engage actively with the winter landscape. Additionally, Fargo hosts an array of cultural events and festivals during the winter months, which serve as a testament to the community's resilience and ability to find joy even in the coldest times. These events not only provide entertainment, but also foster a strong sense of community and belonging among the residents. In Fargo, the winter season is not just a period of endurance, but also an opportunity for cultural expression, social interaction, and embracing the unique lifestyle that comes with living in one of the coldest cities in the United States. Duluth, Minnesota. Duluth, perched on the shores of Lake Superior, experiences winters defined by lake-effect snow and chilling temperatures, a testament to the city's endurance and adaptability. The influence of the lake not only intensifies the cold, but also blankets the city in heavy snowfall, presenting both challenges and opportunities for its residents. Duluthians, known for their resilient spirit, don't merely endure the winter months, but actively embrace them. The city becomes a hub for a variety of winter sports and activities like ice fishing, skiing, and snowmobiling, which are not only popular pastimes, but also integral parts of the local culture and lifestyle. The city's infrastructure and services are meticulously designed to manage the demands of the snowy season. Efficient snow removal systems and well-maintained roads are crucial for keeping the city functional during heavy snowfalls. Buildings and public spaces are designed to withstand the extreme weather, ensuring safety and comfort for the inhabitants. Furthermore, Duluth's emergency services are well prepared for winter-related incidents, ensuring the well-being of the community. In Duluth, the snowy months are also a time for community events and celebrations that brighten the long, dark winter days. These events foster a strong sense of community and camaraderie, crucial for maintaining morale during the coldest part of the year. Through a combination of robust infrastructure, community engagement, and a love for winter activities, Duluth not only copes with its icy winters, but also transforms them into a season of joy and communal celebration, showcasing the city's unique character and the resilience of its people. International Falls, Minnesota, famously dubbed the icebox of the nation, is renowned for enduring some of the coldest temperatures in the lower 48 states, presenting a unique way of life that exemplifies human resilience against extreme cold. The residents of International Falls have adapted to these frigid conditions with a variety of lifestyle choices and innovations. Specialized clothing is a necessity, with residents donning heavy-duty insulated garments, thermal layers, and accessories designed to protect against severe frost. Housing in International Falls is also adapted for the cold, featuring advanced insulation, efficient heating systems, and design elements that minimize heat loss, ensuring a warm and safe indoor environment. Beyond the practical adaptations, the community of International Falls embraces the winter season with a vibrant spirit. Winter is celebrated through various community events and activities that not only provide entertainment, but also strengthen communal bonds. These events, which might include winter sports competitions, ice sculpture displays, and festivals, turn the season into a period of communal joy and celebration rather than just endurance. The lifestyle in International Falls is a remarkable blend of practical adaptations and a cultural embrace of the winter season. This unique combination allows the residents not only to withstand one of the most challenging climates in the United States, but also to find joy and a sense of identity in the very conditions that define their city. Through their resilience and adaptability, the people of International Falls showcase the human capacity to not only survive, but thrive in even the most extreme environments. Barrow, Alaska, positioned as one of the northernmost cities in the United States, faces the formidable challenge of enduring long, extremely cold winters under polar night conditions, a period where the sun doesn't rise for several weeks. The indigenous Inupiat community, which has inhabited this region for centuries, has developed a deep understanding and respect for the Arctic environment, embodying a remarkable resilience and adaptability. Traditional methods of coping with the harsh conditions are deeply ingrained in the culture of the Inupiat people. These include the construction of homes using materials and designs suited to the Arctic climate, traditional clothing made from animal skins that provide superior warmth, and a diet rich in locally sourced, nutrient-dense foods like fish and marine mammals, which are vital for sustaining health. In such an extreme environment, modern adaptations also play a crucial role in daily life in Barrow. Advanced insulation and heating technologies are incorporated into building designs to ensure warmth and energy efficiency. Snowmobiles and modern transportation methods have replaced traditional sleds for mobility, though some traditional practices, like dog sledding, are still maintained. The community also relies on satellite and internet technology for communication and access to resources, which is crucial during the isolating winter months. This segment highlights the blend of traditional knowledge and modern innovation that enables the residents of Barrow to navigate life in one of the coldest and most challenging environments on American soil. The enduring spirit and cultural practices of the Inupiat, coupled with modern advancements, provide a fascinating insight into the lifestyle of a community that has mastered the art of thriving in the Arctic extremes. As our journey through America's coldest cities concludes, we have seen firsthand the remarkable resilience and adaptability of communities thriving in environments where winter is not just a season, but a defining element of life. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through some of America's coldest cities. If you've enjoyed exploring these unique communities and their extraordinary adaptations to extreme winter conditions, don't miss out on more captivating stories and journeys like this. Subscribe to our channel for more content that brings you closer to the diverse and incredible places around the country.